there? Is that why you say you are leaving my house?
Why am I a child? Every time you are sending me unnecessary errands. If it's not wash plate, tomorrow wash my car, iron my clothes. What is it? Don't live like a child. I'm leaving this house.
And this is another one. Classic and standard, just the way you want it.
I like this one.
Okay. But this one yearly is 1.2 million naira. Jesus! Then agent fee, caution fees, service charge, and agreement. 200k each. Total package 2 million.
Oh God!
Let's go to my office so I'll make payments.
No do.
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So please make sure to watch this video to the very end, because trust me, it's the best you've ever seen. It's the best you've ever seen. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and drop nice comments. And if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like. You feel me? So don't play, my people. Let's go have some fun.
Give me some more now. But in my get on is a bit big. If I won't drink, I go give you a blood big now.
Hey! Don't stay my clothes.
Don't stain my clothes. No, I'm not go school again. Don't stain my clothes. What's the matter? That's a smart thing now. No, I'm not go school again. Me have to go out. I know say no one go school, but Mama will pursue you. Come I tell you they wait for you.
You gotta like those.
This kid don't spoil my skills. Class prefects like me. I bet me I'll let her go to school again.
Yeah, win a blessing. Blessing!
Dissolve!
Why you go buy this thing for your brother clothes?
Mommy, I'm not born big, not so small. Small, not born, I'm not born big. You want a liar, big?
My picking no mind. I'm not saying you no go feel like more would they go inside, eh? Today you no go feel go school again.
Ima, why we at school uniform? Now PE would have yet.
Thank God though. And on pay they clean. Or your mom go change.
You, if you not avoid me for this cooper, I will break your teeth.
I'm a wicked man.
Allegedly.
I want you to show me say I'm a wicked person.
Now what for you? Now what for you? What do you define like this? Yeah, where you don't start touch from toe. Maneuver, reach knee. Now you don't pass lap, reach there. Now you won't find protection.
Very condom.
What if you can't see protection now? Again, no concrete do again. You know the thing? You first put her first. Now be registration. You go register them. And they call register. You know right jam. What do you feel? Like you now. You sabi withdraw now.
You define
you know the one withdraw sleep. You sabi this thing now. You na bank teller. Don't make her change her mind though. All these guys, the guy they take there. You know how you take hustle am. If you go run and you run now, not the reason now. You fire down. Sharp.
For
Sharp.
you go carry head.
If you no run am like that, who go buy baby food?
Bombastic side eye.
Go to greet devil. I pinch the people when they cheat.
That boy touch me again. The way I go take give you slap or your eye go clear. This is how they play for you.
Good afternoon.
Look at my face.
I don't know if you can about me family something now.
Let's say the Chris. Your mate.
I'm in love with this girl. He don't see you, man. You don't see you, man.
Hello.
Are the best time to go back on money with this?
Oh no.
Excuse me. Hello.
I want to watch money, they're hungry.
Hey!
Hey!
I can't give all money with the hungry.
Well, keep them now.
Okay, Mona.
Oh my!
You want to spoil your sleep.
Mona, take Mona go buy something shop, yeah?
Okay. Let's have it.
What be this?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey!
Excuse me. Yeah, my name is, sorry.
What are you looking for?
Place in your heart.
That's a very good pick-up line.
Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Your class. Yes. Because you don't just walk up to people and start talking to them anyhow.
Oh, wow.
It's good for your class.
Excuse me.
Oh, what are you looking for?
Your hairline.
Yeah!
Don't move. Are you a midfielder? Starting from me, are you Galo?
Galo, midfielder.
Class. You get class.
Sorry, excuse me. I think I...
What are you looking for?
Your sense. Yes. Because you talk like a stupid person.
Excuse me. I don't know.
And what are you looking for?
Your nyash.
Blood of Jesus.
There's space from here to here. Your waist from your leg, there's space in between. I cannot feel anything. There is your nyash. When I first see you, I just say you did drunk because you walk out like this.
Oh my God.
Sorry, excuse me.
No need. The pick-up line at end.
Okay, ask me what I'm looking for.
I know they ask you now by force. I know ask now by force.
What I'm looking for.
Okay, what are you looking for?
Excuse me.
Jesus! I'm so sorry. I see the guys, no verse. I'm so sorry, please. I apologize. Please. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Please. I've seen the
Don't talk to people anyhow.
I've seen the nyash.
So where's the nyash?
On your forehead. Nyash, live for your friend. Everybody they gang nyash for back here. Bring down. If you run, bring down. I hold your head ahead. If you run, come here. If you run, hey.
My brothers and sisters, I'm so happy to meet every one of you today. Today is like a day when we shall call financial upliftment.
Let me talk to these people.
Okay, allow me talk now. Now, what are we marketing? We are marketing finance to Nigerians. Now, the name of this platform is BBL.
Okay, I beg I will need that because my wife is too small. I beg.
You have been after physical appearance. What you need is financial appearance. You are looking poor. You need BBL. Building billionaires lately. Last week, I registered BBL. And as I can talk to you now, yesterday night, I was able to make 120 million naira in the space of 2 days. I sent 20 million to my village for borehole renovation. As I'm talking to you now, 100 million is inside my room, sitting cool and calm, cash.
Just talk to Rana. I'm talk small now.
Okay, what do you want to talk now? Let's talk about 100 million. What do you want to talk?
I'm talking about way to scale your finances as a legal entity.
Okay, finance. We need money.
Bros, thank you very much. God bless you. Don't forget, some beneficiaries of BBL still remain. Dangote, Obikubana, Jowizaza, and Zenko, and more. If I start calling names, you'll be shocked.
Okay, sit down. Me and you, Christian, will talk to 2 minutes. You use 5 minutes, they talk. Now we don't reach bus stop. How many minutes I want to talk here?
Oh, yeah, talk that nonsense you want to talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sincerely sorry for the inconveniences. I'm here with an information that is going to enable those that are into micro businesses. I am able aware that the annual award, which is the micro, small, medium enterprise, is happening this year. In fact, it is happening on the World SME Day.
What's the one for you? Even though anything when they talk about me and now, not be the 7th edition award they want to like. Not be for Abuja. Registration are free, Abi. Hold up. This I know about that. I know about that. This year on me, I must attend.
You know the award, you not allow me talk. Ha! Please let me continue. And the day of that annual award is on the 27th of June in 2025. Don't forget that this award is organized by the presidency.
Okay, wait though. So you mean the government say put up for this matter?
Yes, it's happening in Abuja at the banquet hall. And let me tell you, the time is 5 p.m. For you to be eligible for this program, you must be over the age of 18. You must have a business that is fully registered with CAC, which is the Corporate Affairs Commission. You must have a business that is proudly found and running in Nigeria. All you need to do to be part of this wonderful program is to visit the website msmeclinics.gov.ng. Once you visit the website, to create a profile, you fill out the necessary information, then you upload a 2-minute video showing the process of a business and the necessary documentation. And after that, I want you all to know that the portal will be open from the 7th of March 2025 to the 7th of April 2025. Are you all with me? Being part of this program enables you to go home with very amazing prizes, cash prizes, houses, shops, cars, and so much more. You see, you are the type I'm looking for. You are the type I'm looking for.
Behave yourself. Yes!
I'm never not sure. 900 million where you keep for house, you go break and no way.
Submit everything what you get for God now.
Okay, we don't get anything, no.
Aboy, since they said they don't get anything, waste all of them.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like problem. For this was nobody get money. The only person get money for this was Nduka. She get 100 million naira cash for her.
Prodigal tell you.
I don't get back. Talk what do you know?
Oh God, but your word is your bond.
He's a liar. She I don't get
This guy na billionaire, Ah, bros, na Zenko guy.
Why don't we Zenko? I don't Zenko now. Yes! Sister, you get money for here. We will follow you go your house. Yes! Hey, everybody, follow from this bus. Move fast!
But I'm 900 million where you get cash. You go vomit her. Now you dey kidnap.
Hey, driver, move this bus to the bus to the house. I cannot give them a hat. They move.
Hey, wow.
You gonna explain that?
Babe, better score go today.
Hey, when your pig follows you to the football field.
That's like, yeah. Guys, move on.
This guy no.
Oh, my bad.
My baby!
I'm on enter. Yeah, you said follow.
Bro, what did they play now? Sorry.
This guy has sinned.
What is the worry? You
This guy really moved.
Alpha, I bet family something I could take my eye.
What did they worry do boy like this?
no, baby, and I wipe on the catch him.
I don't see now why.
You want do show.
Do you see my goal I just scored? Do you see that goal?
She knows here.
Baby, I did not say any go. I'm just tired. I want to go home. I'm tired. I want to go. I'm even hungry.
Babe, calm down. Last time you came to, you told the ginger. See, don't worry, you're not going anywhere. Today, you must watch me play ball here till I finish. I can prepare for you today. Just wait for me, Just wait. I beg I
Bro, what's happened to you now?
See, prepare this jollof rice from home. Using the big blue rice we have at home. So you're going to sit down here, eat, and watch me play football. And before you know it, I'll be done. We'll go home together.
Thaedoboy, I don't know say you be simple. You be simple.
Okay, what's up? That's my girl. Alpha guys, let's play.
Hey,
Okay, move on.
Why did they play like that now? Yeah, you know say you not too good like that. You blind your eye, they play ball score. Give us the secret. What be your secret?
Hey, but I'm not secret at all. I just eat the right meal. I eat big blue rice, and this big blue rice is the ultimate foil for champions.
Big blue rice.
Yes, big blue rice is the premium meat, nourishing and non-sticky rice. This rice has a great tasting experience. Whether you are watching from the stands, or you are playing football on the pitch, or you are debating football with your friends at home, what you need is big blue rice because it fuels the passion and drives the game. So great players like me need great foil and great meal, and that starts with big blue rice. You know what? Don't worry. I have special gift for both of you. Take care. That's it.
My guy. Big blue rice.
So you guys should not forget that big blue rice is the rice of champions.
Babe, see, I'm bored and tired. I want to go home.
Baby, what you did the last time now? Just wait, let me finish playing ball and we'll go home together.
Babe, there's nothing you will say or do about it. Every time you be playing ball thinking you're Ronaldo, you cannot even play like him. You're not even supposed to be wearing this jersey. This is what you should be wearing here. Take.
Look at this one.
Babe.
Wait. Hey, see what you're supposed to be wearing.
Jesus!
What you're supposed to be wearing.
Come.
No!
I don't see one day you can make us proud. This guy.
What's that?
Not be juju be that.
The eyes, they pay me and they wait
Now,
for me.
Juju.
Now, no more thoughts now. It's just some of my costumes.
What kind of costume is that?
You know how they do skits now. I'm a content creator. It's just some of the cuts. Not be me even get them, sir. I will soon return.
This thing is props.
It's just fun, baby. Let's continue. When my condom, sir. Thank you, Jesus!
Who give her condom? Voila.
Jesus! What's with that?
You scared me. That's my twin sister from the underworld.
Your twin sister from the underworld?
Yes, no. She's here to protect me.
She be bouncer.
Besides, when you bought your scary props, was I scared? So are you scared of my twin? Somebody will give free doggy.
Fear, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Man know thyself. You don't know that.
Say na eyes they pay me and they waiting.
Dollars.
What be dollar be this?
It is in our play.
Should I carry this money give you okay? I might carry on myself.
Continue.
I carry on.
Dollar, sir. $6, sir. Sir, $6.
That's what I do for you.
What's going on here?
Sorry, are you the cleaner of this hotel?
Yes, sir.
I just take out from this place now, and I'm looking for my jewelries, please.
Your jewelry, sir.
Yes. Golden jewelries, plee.
Sir, I know say Sir, you can check the bedroom, sir.
Oh, that's true. Thank you.
Let's watch this video.
You were saying something about dollar the other time.
Me?
About dollar, you told me something about dollar.
Oh, I mean $T.
$10.
Aji.
Is that a currency?
No, sir. Na name of people, sir. Sir, one na musician. The other one sorry, the other one is a musician. Sorry, sir. That's why they convince us for the industry.
Jesus, my brain one broke.
Okay.
Thank you. I forgot my dollar here.
Sir?
Bro, chill. All the money.
What type of plane is this? This is plane.
How now you does want to skill yourself?
Let's have it.
Boss, with the money na ordinary, I not go take expensive step like this.
Oh God.
Aji.
Just keep the money, okay?
The Lord has done it.
Thank you, my papa.
You leave that for her. My sis go leave that kind of money for me. $100K.
Yama, take this egg. The brain of your enemy has been involved inside that egg. Whenever you break this egg,
It's not
you will
much,
run
oh.
mad for 2 years. Go! Move it! Next! Nduka!
Jesus Christ.
What's up?
I'm scared for my
What do you want to do? What be this now? Why go down and gonna beat my wife? Oh, you want to separate them because my wife they beat. If my wife they beat now, go leave them in the fight. Nduka, leave them in the fight. Woman to woman, leave them. I don't blame you. Come on. Okay, you can't make the beat my wife for this compound, Abi. Useless man. We shall see. Honey, let's go. We shall see. Wait, I don't fear you. We shall see. No problem. Honey, let's go. It's okay. I like the way you beat her. Yes, we shall see.
They play the show now. They do. Waiting they happen.
You never say anything. You go mad for 2 years, come back that compound. Idiot.
Because someone said, you go bring the egg come.
My village people will hear that.
So, Vinci.
Please, I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please. And I die now. Now my village people will hear that it's this thing that killed me. They will not respect my dead body. I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to die.
And this one master probably came there as well because of Nduka.
Hello? Just because I asked you to wash my clothes and hang them. Is that why you say you are leaving my house?
Why am I a child? Every time you are sending me unnecessary errands. If it's not wash plate, tomorrow wash my car, iron my clothes. What is it? Put it like a child. I'm leaving this house. I'm 34 years of age. I'm grown.
No, you have grown wings. You are now a big boy. You not talk back at me in my own house.
I'm a big boy. I know. I want to live like what I'm a big boy. I can start my own. I can do without you.
Okay.
You think I will call you to send me money? I have 250K in my account, and that will be more than enough.
So that listen,
Listen, don't look for me. Do not look for me.
Solo!
I can't take it anymore.
Solo!
Hey, now,
Don't touch me! You spoil this boy! Don't touch me!
And this another one. classic and standard, just the way you want it.
I like this one.
Okay, but this one yearly is 1.2 million naira. Then agent fee, caution fees, service charge, and agreement 200k each. Total package 2 million. Let's go to my office and make payments.
That's not wrong. Baba don't come back. You don't come back. Only house rent, don't carry come back. Only house rent.
Hey, who are you?
Papa. Papa, good evening, sir.
Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus.
What's going on here?
Mama,
You don't go wash up.
you don't get dirty clothes.
What's going on here?
Notch, what is it? I've been calling you for over 1 week now. You're not taking your calls. What is it? What's the problem?
My phone just got spoiled. And I've been sick, that's why.
Oh, really? Your phone is faulty. Well, I just got you a phone last week. Okay. And you're sick and you didn't tell me. What's happening to you?
See, let me tell you the truth. You have been too nice to me, and that is making me uncomfortable.
Excuse you?
Like, why will you be giving me baby girl treatment? Yeah? Okay, wait. The other day you took me on a date.
I'm staying on business when it comes to you. I do anything to make you feel comfortable.
You paid for everything. I didn't complain. You can't make go shopping. You bought me a necklace. You even bought me a phone. Not be man they buy woman phone. In fact, you really want to take me away from my mother.
Not you a person over here for this one.
So sorry, I don't mean it that way. I'm just trying to.
Can this really happen?
I claim. Before you go promise me lamb.
Funnybros, we know the rest.
Hey!
Hello, pretty.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good. It seems you're working out.
Yeah, as you can see.
Why do you need to go to the gym? Like,
I'm on my way to the gym already.
oh! I need to register in my gym house.
Wow, you own a gym house?
Ha. I have fleets of gym house. If not 64, that should be 68 gym houses.
Really? Okay.
I dashed at 24. That should be one in Beni, one in Abeokuta, one in Maiduguri. I should provide one in Abuja, but you know, VDM and Rattles. Do you mind if I accompany you to your gym? Maybe from next time, you come to one of my gym houses over here.
Wow, that would be nice.
Let's go. Let's go. So what's your name?
I'm Favor.
Oh, I'm Amanda. Sorry, I'm Geoffrey.
Why are they so excited?
Maybe not your bed too. I still talk KJS, that means that KJS will run them. You know, the producer creates sport bets and it's for free. All you have to do is to click the link on my bio comment section to join immediately.
Oh, really? I have to join the Telegram channel after now.
Good, that's perfect. Join, come on.
Funnybros, we know the rest. Funnybros, we know the rest. Funnybros, we know the rest. Funnybros, we know the rest.
Nigeria is not for good luck, Jonathan.
I love pretty girls like you, especially you.
Hey!
Boss, I told you I'm going to find all of them one after the other. I have the format.
You have done a very good job.
I even got the man with #1 tag.
We have lost over 300 patients in our psychiatric hospital. Help!
Funnybros, not again.
And believe me, I am not going to allow them to go for an exercise again.
Oh, come on. Pretty babe, you should know. I followed you because of your purpose. Oh, sorry, your backside.
This is exactly what I'm telling you. His own madness is the worst.
Oh, this is my Brazilian head. It fits me.
Almost see as the video just finished election.
Naira star. No see as Jerry go vote for him.
First thing tomorrow morning in my office.
Okay, sir.
Driver, move this vehicle now.
Hello, sir, you can run a test, I'm okay. I left my suit at the road.
They no fee fine.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Hold on, Marinash.
Osasu.
Oh, Osasu. So what do you do for a living? Because I don't want to have anything to do with any Yahoo boy. I hope you're not a Yahoo boy.
For where? I'm a sea pilot.
You're a sea pilot.
Yeah, I work in this sea.
I think this guy is a genius.
Okay.
Make a creepy side come.
Okay.
Let's have it.
Girl, how far?
You don't trust the girl.
This guy, he's very rich. Like, he's a sea pilot. Freaking rich. I'll call you back.
Hope no problem.
No, not at all.
And the yes sea pilot for your mouth.
Oh, I was just telling my friend where you work.
Okay.
It's actually a very nice profession. You know what? I'll date you.
Just like that too.
Clap for Jesus.
Now when you don't my girlfriend, when are you coming to my house?
How about next tomorrow?
Who am I to say no? Welcome to my humble abode.
This is your house.
You know like
I mean, someone of your caliber shouldn't be living here.
That one.
Yes.
I just day here hide my head. I dey like do my things small, no pressure.
Okay.
Just make yourself comfortable. Make I go buy you cold water.
Okay.
My tights. Hey babe, this is 1,000 naira. Use and buy something light. Make you cook chop. I dey go work, okay?
Babe, 1K.
Now what for you, bro?
1K to cook.
Just use and take make something light. Once I come back, we'll look for something else to chop.
Yeah.
Babe, where do you really work?
I don't tell you before now. I be sea pilot.
I would like to follow you. Can I follow you to where you work? I would like to follow you.
No problem.
No, baby, no, I'm bored in this house. If you go now, I'll be alone.
If you say so. First, I'll tell you where more they go.
Where is this place?
Don't be saying you want to follow me come here for the walk.
Wait. This is where you work.
Now my place of work be this now. See Kenu, see pilot. This side they go Badore, this side they go Ikorodu. Now this route I dey run.
Jesus.
Where you work?
Run.
You are very wicked. God will punish you, in fact. Very wicked man.
What is the pilot they drive?
Madiba, I know you'll be happy man lately.
What happened?
Baba, you know this girl when I did tell you about since now.
Seniors.
He don't come here 9 times. You know the agree me we run things.
9 times, now she never born for you. You don't use all the format.
Baba, format A to Z, no level.
Yeah, use this one.
Madiba, I don't trust you.
What is it? Why are you guys crying now?
Doctor just called me yesterday.
Now what happened?
Say my prostate cancer. When I dey treat since. Say now tomorrow I want die.
You have cancer all this while you didn't tell me.
Well, I tell you, every say each time you come, you don't let me touch you.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, what can I do to help? Tell me anything I can do to help. I will do it.
Just pity me, I sleep with you. Just give me pity sleep.
Don't worry, I will do it for you.
What I don't run out.
Anything for you. Anything for you.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Wait, you not do again?
Don't.
Which kind of talk with this now? So all this cry where you use me, they cry for 1 hour. Now only 2 minutes, now you go do inside. This one pay you. Which kind?
Which happen now?
Which kind? So I don't know the crisis now. Let's 2 minutes of people do. For Jotter now. For Jotter.
2 minutes more. Voila. What's going on here? What about first sight?
Madam, well done. I'm the new houseboy.
Oh, okay, give me my bag and open the gate, okay?
Madam, I say I'm the new houseboy.
I said, okay, can you just give me the bag and open the gate? I want to drive out.
Madam, you know that. I say I'm the new houseboy.
I've heard you. I said, give me my bag and open the gate.
Madam, if you don't say you know they watch film, you don't understand what they talk. As I tell you now, say I'll be houseboy. You will not say, what is the handsome man like you doing as a houseboy? Are you a graduate? I will say yes. You will not make me your personal driver. From there, we will not start sleeping with each other. From there, I will not get you pregnant. From there, you...
Shut up your mouth. Are you insane? Dad!
Jesus. It happened for film.
Dad! Yes? Hey, Dad, just come.
What's going on here?
Dad. Dad, can you imagine? This thing here said he wants to sleep with me.
Okay. Now, no matter how they explain, give him now. They happen for film where. You know, say, I don't know, say, I be your houseboy. You can't begin the row with me. Make me her driver. I can't sleep with him. You can't make me your next of king. You know, say, she be your only daughter. You know, get picking.
Okay, you're fired.
Dissolve! For what I just get now, okay?
Do you think this life is a movie? You think the rich want to associate with the poor?
I wonder.
Look at your head. Desmond Elliott.
Desmond Elliott. What's it concern Desmond Elliott with everything that they do for you? I better go. I'm gonna take time. Voila. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section, because I would like to see it. You feel me? So, and you can as well check out my other videos. You know now, normal. I always get confirmed stuff on my channel. So check them out. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share my video. It's very important. So, see you in the next one. Peace out.